Hello everyone. In the last video we have seen about G-protein coupled receptor, the basic of the G-protein coupled receptor, and in this video we are going to discuss different type of G-protein coupled receptor. So based on the G-protein which is connected to the receptor, it can be classified as four types. One, CAMP activation receptor, CAMP inhibitory receptor, IP3-DAG pathway, ion channel. So at first in this video we will discuss only about the CAMP activation receptor. Okay. In CAMP activation receptor, this is a cell membrane. This is a cell membrane. In that cell membrane we have the receptor. It can be a beta 1 receptor and beta 2 receptor. Beta 1 for cardiac muscles and beta 2 for smooth muscles. Okay. So this is the binding site, or it is the receptor. This is the ligand or agonist. If this agonist will bind to this site, it will activate the receptor and cause some conformational changes. Due to this, the alpha subunit will detach from the protein, and further it will activate the adenyl cyclase. And this activated adenyl cyclase will degrade the ATP. Then it will convert it to AMP and then CAMP. This CAMP will activate the phosphokinase A. And it is also activating the calcium channel present on the cell membrane, and it will increase the influx of calcium ion inside the cell. Due to activation of pKa, phosphokinase A, two things can be happen. If it is a smooth muscle, it will activate the phospholamban, that is relaxin protein. And what it will do, the calcium ion present in the cytosol or in the intracellular fluid will come inside the sarcoplasmic reticulum. If calcium ion are coming inside the sarcoplasmic reticulum, there is less number of calcium ion present in the cytoplasm. It means there is a decrease in the number of positive ion in the cytoplasms. And what it will do? It will relax the smooth muscle. Inside the cell we have sarcoplasmic reticulum, right? If the phospholamban is activated, then what it will do? Calcium ion transfer inside the sarcoplasmic reticulum and decrease in the number of calcium ion in the cytoplasm, and it will further relax the smooth muscle. If in case of cardiac muscles, we know beta 1 receptor is present on the cardiac muscles, so activation of troponin. So what it will do? It will increase the cardiac contraction, increase the force of contraction, increase the cardiac output. So this is all about CAMP activation receptor. In next video we will see the CAMP inhibitory receptor. Thank you.